Interpreting bar graphs. Here we have two different bar graphs. One is a single bar graph that tells us the number of sales agents in each state. The other is a double bar graph that tells us the number of different products sold in 2018 and also in 2019. Since we have two different bar charts to look at, or bar graphs to look at, as we answer these questions, we'll want to think about, which graph is actually going to give me the information I need? So question 1, which state has the most sales agents, and how many sales agents are there in that state? So we need to take a look at our different bar charts. The one that tells us about the number of sales agents is this first one. And as we look at this, since we're looking for the most sales agents, that means we're going to be looking for the tallest bar or highest bar. And as we look down this, if we look at the different heights of these, Colorado's bar is the tallest. So, Colorado has the most sales agents and then we need to find out how many sales agents there are. So we'll need to take a look at the top of this and see where it lines up on our scale. So it lines at that dash mark that is halfway between 8 and 10. 9 is the number that is halfway between 8 and 10. So Colorado has the most sales agents with 9 sales agents. Now we're asked, how many more sales agents are there in Arizona than in Illinois? So we need to find the number of sales agents in each of these states. Arizona has 8 sales agents, and Illinois has 4 sales agents. So Arizona has 8, Illinois has 4. So in order to find how many more there are, we need to find the difference between these. So 8 minus 4 gives us 4 sales agents. So there are 4 more sales agents in Arizona than in Illinois. Now we want to know which products sold more in 2018 than in 2019. Now we're looking at products, and the bar chart that tells us about products is the second bar chart. And we're trying to compare the sales in 2018 to 2019. So 2018 is this purple bar, and the number of sales in 2019 is this striped red and white bar. So we're looking for a product that has a taller bar for 2018, so a taller purple bar than the striped bar. So DVDs has a taller purple bar. CDs has a taller purple bar, but radios and video games have a shorter purple bar. So DVDs and CDs sold more in 2018 than in 2019. Forgot my in. Now we're asked which products had more than 400 sold in 2018. So we're looking at our purple bar, and we want to know which products sold more than 400. And we can see that for the 2018 bars, DVDs, oh, I don't know why this is this color now, and video games sold over or more than 400 products in 2018. Now we want to estimate the total number of CDs sold in 2 years. So that means we're looking at how many CDs were sold in both 2018 and 2019. So let's think about this. Well, this CD unfortunately doesn't fall quite on a line. But if we look halfway between 200 and 400 would be 300. And then we can also look halfway between each of these numbers. It looks that like CDs falls halfway between 200 and 300, which is about 250 units sold. And then in 2019, luckily this falls right along our line, so in 2019, 200 CDs were sold. We're trying to look at how much were sold between both years, so we need to add these together. So we have 250 CDs plus 200 CDs gives us 450 CDs sold. So 450 CDs were sold were sold in 2 years.